Hello, let me ask you a question. Are your organs happy? Nobody has probably asked you this, huh? And you haven't probably been thought about it. But see, people think that one organ is more important than others. But the reality is that all organs are important. If one is weak or unbalanced, it slows down its function and it creates a domino effect on other organs and overall your health. See, testing each organ and gland points to find if it's weak or happy is a very valuable technique, and you should know how to do it. Just like we do monthly or yearly car maintenance, we should also do maintenance for our organs and body. I always encourage my clients to learn how to muscle test. This gives them access to their subconscious mind because the body gives a physical response when we tell the truth or a lie. The muscles of the body are instantly weakened when we lie, and they stay strong when we tell the truth. So, how would you test to see if your organs are happy or weak? You use muscle test. First, you got a baseline, the response of yes and no. Don't always assume that you know which way it is, the yes and the no. Since some clients have reported that it can interchange for them. Sometimes the yes response could be no and the no could be yes. So I encourage you to learn to do muscle tests, and there are several different ways to do it. There are plenty of YouTube channels where YouTube videos where it teaches you how to do that. But then once you start testing your organs, you ask the organ if it's happy. For example, you say, heart, are you happy? And then you do the muscle test, yes or no. Or you can say to the body, now this time you're talking to the body, because the body has an innate intelligence, your subconscious. Is my heart happy? You will get a yes or a no. And then you continue with the other organs. You might want to have a body organ chart in front of you until you memorize them all. Now, if an organ is not happy, then you need to dig into which feelings, emotions, or judgments are making it unhappy and get it back to neutral. You can do this on your own using Ho'oponopono, releasing emotions with magnets, or you can come to one of our free workshop tasters that we do every Wednesdays at 1:00 p.m. Eastern Time. You can also set up a session with us. Whichever way you do it, just do it. Remember what happens to your car if you don't change oil periodically. You don't want that for your body, for your organs. And with that, have a great day. Bye-bye.